We are a software consulting company. We have clients that we take care of their needs, help out with whatever projects they want. Our big major client company is Thomson Reuters.
It's a really great program that accomplishes a wonderful opportunity for students to work in a real world environment and situation. The actual technologies that we're using in the industry right now are going to change. So it's a very fluid challenge to have people that are able to learn. And the main thing is the passion around tech. As long as you're very passionate and wanting to learn what's new and great, that just creates so many opportunities in your career.
Thomson provides all of the hardware and software in this site. They do software development or software testing tasks. Each student gets integrated into a team at Thomson, and then they're just used like any other full-time resource. They're treated just like any other new hire would be treated at Thomson.
We really do value the work that the Maverick students do for us. We get these side projects that are really valuable work that need to be done, so that staff augmentation really helps us and it helps the students learn as well.
We have a super flexible scheduling system. We know that classes are most important. As long as they fit between Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., you'll be set.
In my final year, my classes are pretty intense, so it's really nice to have that flexibility in hours.
Basically, I get my class schedule, and then once I have it all in my Outlook calendar, I look for all like the blocks of time that are empty, and that's basically where I throw work in.
It's kind of the rare project that benefits students and industry partners and faculty and the university. Students get real-world experience and paid while they go to class, and the industry partner gets real-world work done. They don't have to send it to an offshore site.
Another big advantage to Maverick is it keeps the internships local to Mankato. Many students work full-time in the summertime for Maverick, and Thomson Reuters finds that in their budget to allow that, so they can live here and continue to be part of the community while they're working full-time during the summer, and then they go back to half-time during the school year.
You can watch their development, their vocabulary changes. They get exposed to much bigger projects than we can simulate in the classroom. And they might be working on a project with Thomson where there's tens of thousands of lines of code. That's a very difficult thing for a classroom setting to simulate.
This is the perfect way to prepare somebody for graduating and getting into a technology career through their academia, but also through putting that knowledge into learning new technologies and working in a professional environment and communicating and collaborating. If you think about it, it's an absolute no-risk situation for the student and for us, because they already know all about us and what it's like to work for us and our work environment. And along with that, we know all about them. And so it's always successful.
Definitely a lot in terms of like automation tests, QA testing, and also the development side of things, as well as like JUnit testing.
It's a pipeline of pre-trained employees. You have an interest in Thomson and they have a job available for you, then that following week you're working at Thomson doing the same things. There's no training costs. You just migrate to their site and it's pretty seamless for them.
Even if they don't come to our company, they're very, very marketable. Most companies in the Twin Cities area know what the Maverick program is, and many times they have benefited from that program that the student went through with us. Obviously, they have school to attend, and that's always number one, but at the same time, we're getting a lot of great work done from Maverick.
I like to see the development of the students. The reason that this project has been just really wildly successful is that we have really good students. The students are the centerpiece of what's really happening with Project Maverick.